right, we put the new domino grips on. I think put this side a little too close, should have been sticking out a little bit more. It just feels a little weird. They're much better and way more grippy, and also like there's a little cushion in them too. But yeah, it's kind of bothering me how this side is like a little crooked. New grips on. Yeah, this side came out real nice. Maybe I should pull it out a tiny bit. It's actually good. This had to go over like something over there because of the traction control module. It's like right here, so can't really do much about this one. Great. How are you doing? Sure. Sorry, I wasn't aware. I'm a little lost. I didn't know how. I was trying to like get off the toll road, but I wasn't.
There or no?
Yeah, I just stopped by a shop nearby.
Okay. What shop?
Yeah, Vitesse Performance.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just putting on like a part.
Are you used to ride on the toll roads at all, or no?
No. Like, yeah, I wasn't planning to be on the toll road. That's why I was a little flustered. I don't have a maps on here.
No worries.
So yeah.
Registration insurance for the bike?
Yes, sir. My insurance is on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I take off the helmet?
No problem.
It's asking for my Face ID just to log in.
It's a nice bike.
Thank you.
How long have you been riding for?
I've been riding for about 4-ish years, so sorry.
How long?
4 years?
Okay.
Yeah.
You ever pulled over before?
Yes, I have one time,
Yeah.
but not for speeding. I've never been
What for?
pulled over for speeding.
What'd you get pulled over?
I think it was like a loud exhaust.
Okay. Modified
Yeah.
exhaust?
Yeah.
Alright. You have the registration for the bike?
This one, let me check. It should be in the back.
Yeah. It's like a fender eliminating kit.
Yeah.
I didn't get like a fix-it ticket for that, just because of the way the license plate is facing.
I thought if it's visible.
But you are the registered owner, right?
Yes, sir. Great, guys. Yeah, I always think
no worries. If you want to say a couple times. So what this is going to be, I'm going to give you a fix-it ticket. I'm going to give you a verbal warning for your speed, okay?
appreciate it.
All right, just slow down. I know it's wide open out here, but
Yeah, just like what do you even like? How fast was I going? Because honestly, I was just trying to get out of the toll roads. I wasn't even
No, I
sure.
understand. So this is a fix-it ticket. All right.
Okay.
For the not having the current registration card.
I don't have a current registration.
The card. Not having the registration card.
Oh, okay.
So that's all the fix-it tickets for.
Okay, sounds good. So.
All right. So you take the stars right here. Please just sign inside the white box. All you gotta do is get your current registration card. Go to any CHP office or police department. Show them that you have the current registration card. Okay. They'll sign off on the ticket. You just mail that to court.
And that's all.
That's all you gotta do.
Thanks so much. That's it. Thank you.
Just 1100.
Yeah.
Any questions right now?
That's all.
All right. Right safe. Okay.
Thank you. Well, guys, that was a really nice cop. I'm not gonna lie, that was a really nice cop. I thought I was gonna get a ticket. I was cool, you know. I saw him like pull out when he was stopped on the side. I saw him like kinda go behind me, and I was like, ah, damn, I'm late to go somewhere, but I don't think I'm gonna make it anywhere. I was supposed to be somewhere by 7:15 and it's already 7:18. So I don't think I'm gonna make it anymore, but at least we got away with a warning. Pretty much he gave me a warning for speeding and you know, had to give me like a fix-it ticket, I guess, because I didn't have my registration on me. So yeah, nothing major, thankfully. But that was exciting. I mean, I was also very respectful. I pulled over and stopped, but honestly, he was very professional. He didn't give me shit about anything. He told me that, you know, I mean, you guys heard everything. I don't know why I'm explaining it to you. But yeah, the fun fact is that I asked him, like, I was like, how fast was I going? He didn't even answer me. He just kind of like laughed and changed the subject. So that was interesting. But there you guys have it. Do not speed on the toll roads. I mean, I kind of knew that because I've been on the toll roads a few times. Not that way. I've only been there like once or twice, maybe. Nah, I think I've only been there like once. But I do go usually on the toll roads every now and then. And yeah, there's always cops hiding because they know it's like open. And usually people tend to go a little bit faster. That was fun. Either way, I know that I was slightly in the wrong, you know. But we'll end the video here. Assuming, yeah, I still do have battery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe, share, and support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe. Actually, before I go, I want to mention, you know, just in general, you don't always have to be like rude to cops, because every now and then you run into someone that's nice and professional like this guy, you know. Like, imagine if, for example, someone decided to like run from the cop and get the cops called on you and something happens, you know. Sometimes it's easy, if you know you haven't done anything that's really bad, it's easier to just, you know, pull over and just be respectful. You never know. Sometimes, I get it, most cops like to abuse their power and they're not nice, but I was nice to the cop, he was nice back, everything was easy and professional, and you know, I feel like that's how it should be all the time. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.